To quickly control the Bertec treadmill, navigate to the treadmill controls card. At the top, find the device indicator lights. Green indicates a successful connection of your devices. If there's an unsuccessful connection, these would be red. To control the left and right belts simultaneously, turn on the sync belts in the upper right corner. In the pop-up, press OK to confirm the velocity of the belts, which is 0 in this case. You now have one set of controls. With the subject standing on the treadmill, use the quick velocity control toggles to adjust the treadmill speed. The treadmill will respond immediately to the adjustments. Press the stop button to bring the treadmill to a safe stop. Next, you can use the target controls to set velocity and acceleration values when the treadmill belts are still or moving. For these controls, the treadmill will not respond immediately. Press Commit and confirm these values in the pop-up window before pressing OK. View the current velocity display as the treadmill accelerates. After bringing the treadmill to a stop, you can use the incline target controls to set an angle for the incline. Press Commit to set the angle. Be sure to unlock the stabilizer wheels before pressing OK in the pop-up window. View the current angle display to see the real-time angle. Once the target angle is reached, be sure to lock the stabilizer wheels before moving the treadmill belts for better data. Click the Home button to return the incline to 0 degrees. Read our user manual for more information on treadmill controls.